Reason number 1: sugar crash and dehydration. Fun fact: in Japan, they have a word for napping at work, inemuri, which means being present while sleeping. Honestly, who wouldn't want a desk nap after lunch? Here's what's going on. When you eat a big meal, especially one loaded with simple carbs like white bread, pasta, or sweets, your blood sugar spikes fast. That gives you a quick energy rush. But then your body pumps out insulin to bring that sugar down. Sometimes it overcorrects and your blood sugar drops too quickly. That's why about 30 minutes after a sugary snack, you can suddenly crash. On top of that, more blood is sent to your digestive system to handle the food, leaving your brain with less oxygen and nutrients for a while. And if you are dehydrated, things get worse. Your blood gets thicker, circulation slows, and your brain doesn't get what it needs. Even mild dehydration, like losing 1 to 2% of your body's water, can mess with your focus, energy, and performance. So, what can you do? Keep a water bottle in plain sight, like on your desk, and set phone reminders to drink. And check out this video to learn what to eat to keep your energy steady all afternoon. Reason number 2: sleep pressure. Did you know your brain has a built-in fatigue meter that starts ticking the moment you wake up? The longer you stay awake, the more adenosine builds up in your brain. That's the chemical that makes you feel sleepy. By the time afternoon hits, that sleep pressure is so high, you start feeling heavy-eyed and low on energy. And here's the kicker: when sleep pressure builds, the first thing that suffers is your brain power. Your memory, focus, and quick thinking all take a hit. That's why the afternoon slump feels so brutal at work. And that's also why coffee helps. Caffeine basically tricks your brain. It blocks adenosine receptors, so you feel awake and energized. But adenosine is still piling up in the background, so you can't stop the process entirely. So what can you do? Give yourself little breaks during the day. And if you need a quick reset, check out this short guided meditation. It will chill you out in just 5 minutes. Reason number 3: lack of sleep and poor sleep quality. Did you know that after just 17 hours without sleep, your brain functions the same as if you had about 2 glasses of wine? When you don't get enough sleep, or when your sleep is broken, like tossing and turning at night, it's basically like borrowing energy you don't really have. As the day goes on, your sleep debt grows. And by noon or afternoon, you're really feeling it. Your batteries are already half drained when you wake up, so you've got less energy to last the whole day. That means worse memory, weaker focus, and slower reaction times. And here's the bad news: sleep debt stacks up day after day. What can you do? Set a consistent bedtime and prioritize good quality rest. Check out this video for simple hacks to level up your sleep. Reason number 4: a messed up body clock. Did you know your body has an internal clock that runs mostly on light? When you step into bright light in the morning, especially sunlight, your brain gets the signal. It's daytime and time to wake up. This shuts down melatonin, your sleep hormone, and fires up cortisol and other chemicals to boost your energy. But if you spend your morning in a dim room or under weak artificial light, your clock gets confused. Your brain doesn't know when to be alert and when to power down for the evening. That's why your afternoon slump can feel stronger or hit earlier. So what can you do? Get bright light exposure within the first hour after waking up. Watch this video to see how to do it with natural sunlight or with a light therapy lamp. Reason number 5: no movement, and mental fatigue. Here's a cool one. Scientists found that short movement snacks, little bursts of activity during the day, actually reset your brain and make it work better. Even a few minutes of moving boosts blood flow to the brain, which means more oxygen and fresher ideas. The reality is, most of us spend the day sitting at our desks, in the car, on the couch. And sitting too long slows your circulation, stiffens your body, and leaves you feeling sluggish. Meanwhile, your brain is constantly working, thinking, making decisions, and problem solving. By midday, it's basically overworked and begging for a break. So, what can you do? Take active breaks and move your body. It will improve circulation, sharpen your focus, and give you an energy boost. Check out this video and see how to recharge your body in just 5 minutes. So, which of these reasons hits you the hardest? Do you have your own tricks to beat that afternoon slump? Drop them in the comments. Check out this video for more easy hacks to boost your health and well-being. Thanks for watching and see you next time.